Example number 6. Prove that 2 into 7 raised to power n plus 3 into 5 raised to power n minus 5 is divisible by 24 for all n belongs to natural number. And solution: let Pn colon 2 into 7 power n plus 3 into 5 raised to power n minus 5 is divisible by 24. Now for n equal to 1, P1 colon 2 into 7 power 1 plus 3 into 5 power 1 minus 5, which is 2 7 14 plus 15 minus 5, means 29 minus 5 is equal to 24, which is divisible by 24. 24 is divisible by itself, so 24 is divisible by 24, which is divisible by 24. This implies P1 is true. Let it is true for n equal to k, where k belongs to natural number. This implies Pk colon 2 into 7 power k plus 3 into 5 power k minus 5 is divisible by 24. Now we can write the given statement in mathematical way. It means Pk colon 2 into 7 power k plus 3 into 5 power k minus 5 is equal to 24m. This implies 2 into 7 power k is equal to 24m minus 3 into 5 power k plus 5. ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि एज इट इज सेम फॉर्म शायद उनको मिले ना मिले टर्म, ठीक है, इसलिए हमने, क्योंकि फॉर k प्लस 1 के लिए फाइंड करेंगे तो 2 into 7 power k तो मिलेगा ही, तो इसको एक तरफ सेपरेट करके बाकी को अदर साइड कर लिया है ना. By this way it is either to make the calculation. So it is 2 into 7 power k is equal to 24m minus 3 into 5 raised to power k plus 5. This is equation number 1. Now we will prove that it is true for Pk plus 1. Now we will prove that the given statement is true for Pk plus 1. That means 2 into 7 power k plus 1 plus 3 into 5 power k plus 1 minus 5 is divisible by 24. We will prove it. Now Pk plus 1 colon 2 into 7 power k plus 1 plus 3 into 5 power k plus 1 minus 5. This is 2 into 7 power k into 7 plus 3 into 5 power k into 5 minus 5. So keeping 2 into 7 power k together in a bracket, by which we can put the value of 2 into 7 power k, which is equal to 24m minus 3 into 5 power k plus 5. ये वैल्यू इसकी जगह पुट कर देंगे फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. So 24m minus 3 into 5 power k plus 5 into 7 plus 3 into 5 15 है ना, 15 into 5 power k minus 5. Now multiply this one term written in the bracket with 7. So 24m into 7 minus 3 संज्ञा 21 into 5 power k plus 35 plus 15 into 5 power k minus 5. Now it is 24 m into 7 और 35 minus 5 is 30 minus 21 into 5 power k, this is 50 into 5 power k. तो 21 minus 15 6 है ना, 6 into 5 power k. Now 24m into 7 plus taking 6 common, 6 5 is 30, 5 minus 5 raised to power k. This is relation number 2. Now we will check it is divisible by 24 or not. अभी क्या हमारी आ गई है पी के प्लस 1 की, ये 24 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं चेक करते हैं, क्योंकि के कोई भी इंटीजर हो सकता है. तो पुट k is equal to 1 2 3 and so on, इस पर चेक करते हैं. पुट k is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3 and so on, इस तरह से पुट किया हमने 24m into 7 plus 6. जब हम के रेस्पेक्टिवली एक एक बार है ना, तो when k is equal to 1, तो k 1 पुट करेंगे तो 5 minus 5 power 1 which is 24m into 7 plus 5 minus 5 0 0 to 6 0 which is equal to 24m into 7 which is divisible by 24. 1 पुट करने पर तो ये 24 से डिविजिबल हो रहा है ना. Now add k equal to tk plus 1 is 24m into 7 plus 6 into 5 minus 5 square. Now it is 24m into 7 plus 6 into 5 square 25. 25 minus 5 means 20 minus 20. So this is taking minus out from bracket. So this is 24m into 7 minus 6 into, resolve the 20 its prime factor, 4 into 5, 6 4 is 24. So which is 24 taking common m into 7 minus 5 which is divisible by 24, which is divisible by 24. Hence for every value of k, है ना, चाहे 1 रखो 2 रखो 3 रखो, और यहाँ से देख के हम पता कर रहे हैं कि 1 पे ट्रू है, 2 पे भी ट्रू है, 3 पे भी आप चेक कर लेंगे, है ना, एंड सो ऑन, सभी पर ये ट्रू है. तो दिस इंप्लाइज pk plus 1 is true for every value of is true. Every value of k. So this implies pk plus 1 is finally is true. Is true. Now the given statement is true for n equal to 1. If it is true for n equal to k, that means it will be true for k plus 1 also. So it is true for every value of n. This implies the given statement n equal to k implies that it is true for k plus 1 also. This implies the given statement is true for every value of n.